did a perfect bun on the top part of Molly's hair, and I'm going to do the back part. I'm going to put it off in rubber bands and make it go upwards. So let's get started. I already split it to the way I want it. And I didn't do perfect straight line, because I don't like for her hair to be in a perfect straight line. So it's like crooked. And I did it intentionally. So if anybody got anything to say about that I didn't do it straight, it's because I didn't want to. Okay, so the way I'm going to get started is I'm going to take some of her hair and I'm going to part it. And I'm going to add a rubber band on it. You don't have to do this real tight. Just good enough. And then I'm pull it down. So you got one. And then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take that part. I'm going to add it in with this one. But when I do it, move this one out the way. When I get ready to pull it up, I'm going to add a little edge control on the side of her hair. Gonna grab another rubber band. And I'm going to take this part that I put off in the rubber band and just let me take that off real quick. Okay, got that one. So I'm going to put this one off in the rubber band. Let me get a pillow so she can lay her head on it. And it don't hurt as much. Yeah, just pillow. Put your head down. Okay. Yeah. So I took that one. And I'm going to take this one. Same thing, gonna put a rubber band on it. Gonna tighten it. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna part it. Gonna wet it with the conditioner. What's my phone? And I'm combing it. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take it, add it with this one, and then add a rubber band on it. Can you hold this part with your hand? Oops, I forgot to do the first one with the rubber band. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the rubber band on this one first and then add it. Okay. Let that one hang down. Then I'm going to add the rubber band. Gonna tighten it a little. And then I'm going to take it and then I'm going to take another rubber band and put over this one. Because this is how it's going to stay. Because if you don't put a rubber band on there first, you're going to have like a big old poofy gap. And I want her hair to stay like this for a while. So I'm going to take another piece. Uh-oh, grab my comb. I'm going to spray it. Make sure she don't got no tangles. Can you hold this one back? Hold it, Mom. Gonna take another rubber band. And her hair will last like this for a couple of days. I say about 2-3 days the most. And then I'll take it down and do like something else to it. And then I'm going to take this part right here. Then I'm going to add a rubber band. And I'm just going to continue until I get all the way to the top. Here, you want to hold it? Then I'm going to take the last piece. I'm going to spray it. Make sure I get all her tangles. Then I'm going to take another rubber band. And I'm going to put it on the last piece of hair. Then I'm going to take it all together. You can raise your head up a little. Then I'm going to add the last rubber band on here. So it should look like this after you finish. Okay, I'm finished with this one. I'm going to give a break and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm putting the rubber bands on the other one now. Oh, this Molly. Raise your head up a little. You're dropping on my rubber.
Sorry.
Trying to grab this one right here. I'm still working my way up. Still working my way upwards. Whoops, that rubber band popped. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Molly, hold this part. No, the back part. Thank you. I'm going to spray it with some water and conditioner.
Looked like you was going to beat her with it.
I did do that one day. Dropped the, what was it, Molly? I dropped something that hit you up in the head. Was it the brush? It was the brush. Okay, I'm putting a rubber band on this one. And basically the ideal of it is you're just going to work your way up to the top. Gonna grab the hair. Hold it, Trinity. Give me the bottom. Hold this part right here. And I'm with the last one. I'm going to spray it with some water and conditioner. Okay, I'm going to add it there. And after I finish putting the rubber band on this last one and connecting it with the other ones, I'm going to braid it. Okay. Gonna add the last one. You can raise your head up a little, because I know your neck is hurting, right? You want to take a pause real quick? No? Okay.
No, I do.
Okay. Okay, we finished, and I did the 2 pigtail braids. And I'm going to take it, and I'm going to go around, and I'm going to put a bobby pin in. So it can hold. And then I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to do it the same thing. I'm going to tuck it, and then I'm going to put a bobby pin off in this one. That's so it won't move. And then it looks like this. So I'm going to take a bow. And I'm just going to clip it into her head. If I can get off in a big old head. Okay. And this one. And then I'm just going to clip the bow. And then it's going to look like this. Turn around. So turn all the way around, Molly. So it's going to look like this. Going all the way around. The braids, the rubber bands are going all the way up. And then as she turn around some more. She got her braids going around her head and her perfect bun going on. So if you like this video,
give us a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. And make sure you leave a comment saying #Miley. Bye.